Hello, this is Jeff Heilig working on assignment 1.1 journals for EDOL 721, and this is the last journal entry, number 5. After reviewing Simon Sinek's video, How Great Leaders Inspire Action, several interesting points came from studying this video. Number one, I do believe with Simon Sinek that it is critical that leaders and business people and educators understand their why, and they're able to explain that to others. I think one of the points, though, I would like to focus on is not understanding my why, which I do have a why. My why is I develop people who have purpose in life, are productive, and healthy. And that's very important for me as an educator. I actually have that in many things on my tagline. But again, I do have a why to develop people who have a purpose in life, are productive, and healthy. What is very important about Simon Sinek's video after watching it again today is that people connect to my why because of their why. People connect to my passions, my insights, and my vision because of their vision and their insights. He makes a point of this many times throughout the video, that people are doing things because of them and their why and their belief system. So as a leader, it's important for me to be authentic and transparent and communicate well so people can connect with me, but ultimately I'm the one who's connecting with them. When I'm able to connect with them and they're able to find purpose and passion and inspiration within themselves by connecting with my vision statement or my belief system, then we really get into something very dynamic. The other thing also I thought was very interesting is the law of diffusion of innovation, which is a well-known concept. I do agree with it. With about 2.5% people being innovators and 13.5% being early adapters and about 34% being early and late majority, and then 16% being laggards. I agree with Sinek as well that you need about 15 to 18% penetration into this world. And I would say a little bit higher, maybe around 20%, because what you're doing at that point, if you study the law of diffusion of innovation, when you get to about 20%, what you have is you have your 2.5% innovators, you have your 13.5% early adapters, which are going to come with you in most cases because they like the challenge, they want to do something new, they're a little bit rebellious maybe, or they're just kind of your go-getters. But you have to make big inroads into the early majority. When the early majority begins to move, the late majority will then begin to take notice. And when they begin to move, then you have true penetration. Lastly, I do also agree that it is very, very important that we know our how and our what, but it is our why that really motivates people to be more successful. And that's something I tried to do as a leader, being an educator, working with people, is really focusing on my why and being able to have the relationships and have the resources and the material and the environment in which I can connect with my students, my parents, my teachers, my staff, but it's about connecting to their purpose and their why and bringing that out so we all move forward together. Thank you very much.